In today's class, we will see how to create a classes and method in SE38. In previous class, I have already taught you the theoretical part of classes and methods. In today's class, we will see through practically. First, go on TCOG SE38, create a program. So, first, declaration, that is definition of a class. Definition of class. So, using a class keyword itself, we declared a class. I am declaring LCL first class, okay, and give a keyword definition. You must need to put end class. If everything in SAP ABAP must terminate with every statement with full stop. So first give a public section, declare a method using a, while you are declaring a method, then use a keyword methods, okay. I'm declaring display, method name is display and using a keyword methods, and class is using the class keyword itself. Give the definition of a class. You must need to give the implementation of a class. When you are define the class, then it's mandatory to give the implementation of a class. Implementation of a class. So again, give class, give the class name, that is LCL first class, implementation and class. Inside this, give method, display and method, okay. Inside the method, whatever you want to print, just write. I'm giving my name is Aditi. So it is mandatory to access some method to create a object of a class, okay, because this is a instance method, not a static method. This one is an instance method. There are two types of method, instance and static. I will tell you later, but this one is instance method. So you must need to create an object of a class using the data keyword obj, type ref to which class, for which class you want to create object, LCL first class. Now create object obj. इसका मतलब हुआ डेटा obj. आप एक यहाँ वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर रहे हो, आप बता रहे हो कि टाइप रेफ टू इस क्लास का आपको ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है, तो तुम इस क्लास का ये ऑब्जेक्ट बना दो और इस ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू आप अपने मेथड को एक्सेस करोगे, ओके. हमारा मेथड क्या है यहाँ पे, डिस्प्ले. So check syntax. Why statement is not accessible? Because the main part is always written inside the start of selection. Now activate it. Do F8. My name is Aditi. So in this way you declare a local class and local methods in SE38. First you need to give the definition. After that implementation, then create an object. So that's all about today. We will discuss more things in the next class. Thank you.